Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Celeste today, and we are going to be taste testing this fruit cocktail mango that came from
Mark Beverley.
Mark Beverley of
Miami.
Company.
The box is from Miami Fruit, so I don't know.
Okay.
I just saw a post he made on Facebook that he was selling mangoes, and he had a lot that we hadn't tried on here. And this one smelled really good.
Really good. She can't touch mangoes because she's allergic to the sap, so she can't even touch the skin. But
it's very unique. I smell it one more time.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
It's a clean mango too.
It's mango.
Yeah, it's something I've smelled before, but I don't know what it is.
It's a good smell.
Super strong.
It almost smells like a type of bubble gum, maybe, or something.
That's what I was thinking. Like the green bubble gum.
No, everything smells like the green. It's not the green bubble gum.
Mango bubble gum.
Just because you like a smell doesn't mean that every good smell. Now that smells very different.
It's got a completely different smell. Which I don't like as much.
Smells
as
a little bit like
smell.
Canned peaches, a little bit maybe.
Yeah.
Which I think is a good smell. So.
I don't like canned fruit.
Have like an artificial peach. So it doesn't really smell like a fresh one. It smells a little artificial.
Yeah, it smells like a canned peach, which I think it's a good smell. Very nice color. Very little fiber. Good texture.
I think I ordered these yesterday and they arrived today. That was super quick.
Very juicy.
I've had this fruit one other time and it tasted just like the juice in a fruit cocktail cup.
That's what I remember of it too.
But this smells different than I remember it smelling. This smells like a different mango I've had. Of course, I love that Canistelle smell. It tastes totally different than it smells. It's a little creamy. It's got just a tinge of chalkiness, which I like.
It's got a little bit of a...
I think the chalkiness is what kind of made me think.
I don't know what to call this flavor. It makes my mouth feel a little numb.
I'm not getting that.
Not getting that. It's not like a stringency. A stringency is unpleasant. This is not.
It's got hints of lemon too, which I didn't get the other time I ate this fruit at all.
If it had to put a single flavor on it, I would say the maraschino cherries that are in a fruit cup.
I'm not good in that. It's a little resinous towards the end.
But yeah, there's just a little bit of resinous, a little bit of something tingly, effervescent to it that...
Is it on like the tip of your tongue?
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting that too.
Tip of my tongue feels like almost a little bit numb.
Mine's just that creamy, chalky taste.
I think
I'm getting chalky.
I can tell what you're calling numb.
A little bit, 1% piney in there, just a little bit piney.
No, like I'm wishing that I had kept a tree now because I didn't really care for it the first time. I was like, it tastes just like fruit cocktail juice.
I see exactly what you're calling numb.
I know you do, but this is better than that.
Yeah, this is a good mango. This is hard to describe though.
Yeah, because I take like one bite and it's like, oh, it's got the creamy chalkiness that coconut cream has, and then I get a little bit of like a lemony flavor.
Let's try some near the skin.
But also, it's like it's different every single place you put it on your tongue. Like,
yeah,
the tip, like you can't get that flavor anywhere else on your tongue but at the tip of what that's calling numb. Which also, if you keep putting it at the tip of your tongue, it does kind of become numb.
I don't get that at all.
But are you doing it on the very tip? You have to like chew it around and get it back to your tip.
Yeah, I don't know how to describe that very well. I mean, I guess flavor-wise to me, it's maraschino cherry that's in a fruit cup. But there's a lot of other things going on.
Like this particular mango would be up in the top 5 mango flavors I've had.
Really? No, I wouldn't put it that high.
Because it's got a little bit of all my personal favorite mangoes in it.
I probably wouldn't though either put it up there just because like my tongue is becoming numb from it.
I don't get any of that, but
No.
I
A
think
little
this
bit
is
of pineapple to it, maybe a little bit.
it's a
Maybe.
particularly good fruit cocktail, I think. Like this is, don't you think? Or no?
I don't know.
I'm really starting kind of.
And I got a little more
pineapple.
chalkiness on that one towards the center.
I got a little pininess for the first time.
But very juicy, very melting.
Mhm.
It seems like there's a little fiber in it.
Not much. There's a little. I could tell when I cut it. There's a little tiny bit, but not bad at all. But it's still it's melting. It's juicy.
Oh, I finally got the numb thing. It like hit the front
Mhm.
right of my tongue.
Yeah.
And yeah, I did not have it as much when I was
So
near the
weird.
season.
So I don't know. The one I had before of this, we both had the same impression. It tasted just like drinking the juice out of a 1970s fruit cup.
Tin. Yeah, the metal tin.
And this one does not taste much like that. Celeste thinks it's better. I'm not sure I do. I'd give this one like 8.5.
I give it like a 9,
Yeah,
9.5.
I'm 8.5.
If
Valerie,
it
what do
all tastes like that, I would want a tree.
Maybe an 8, 7.5.
Okay, so it's definitely a good one. It's definitely worth trying. I can't say that I'd put one in the ground based on just the
I
two
would
that
eat
we've
a
had.
couple
Yeah,
more.
try another one before I make that kind of decision. That's a big life decision that you don't want to rush.
Especially when you could put in a coconut cream. So it's like
or lemon meringue.
coconut cream's still my favorite, but lemon meringue's your favorite.
But either way, it's a good mango. Definitely give it a try if you see some available. And then you can decide whether you want to put it in the ground or not. So if you've tried this one, leave us some comments. Let us know what you think, if you agree with us, or if you've had one that tastes the one we had before. Like I said, maybe it was riper, maybe it was
More rain.
It was a
who
different
knows?
different season, so it could have been a lot of different things. But let us know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, all right.
So Courtney, what you do?
All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in